Greetings all. It is the 19th of September, probably where you're at. So
Yes.
let's get to it. Priorities for this week for the readiness team. We're finalizing the gratis support request setup. We're basically going to be moving requests for gratis to a form that does some validation that makes us dedicated issues with labels, and each little request has its own kind of workflow and blah, 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 blah. I will give more info once we get everything kind of live the first month. So October, I'm going to be working these so I can get all the kinks out of our workflows, because I just spit out like 8 different workflows and they'll need a little tweaking. But after I've got all the kinks worked out and we've got them in a good place, I'm going to then start cross-training everyone to be able to work them. My initial thought is to split them based on request type. I have no idea what that volume will look like, so we'll find out. I put the proposed split that I'm thinking of there, so we'll kind of look into that, but I will cross-train each of y'all about that as I get all the kinks worked out. Feel free to look at the issue and the various different components that have been set up for it. The handbook page for it is live, but not the rest of it at the moment. The other thing is we're still working on the deprecation of the community forum, so that is a thing we're working on. But those are our 2 big focuses this week, is that community forum and the gratis support stuff, because that's going to be a big change. Any questions on any of that?
Nope. I think I have to read about the gratis support request in detail because it has a lot of itsy bitsy gritties. I know that. So we have been doing it for a really long time without any proper documentation. So
We've
support
been
does it. Yeah.
we've been doing priority prospect for a while. This is actually bringing in other types, so there is going to be a bit of a learning curve on all of our parts, because some of this is new, but the idea is that we'll be actioning most of these things, doing our various documentation for each of the items, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Cool. That's all I see, so I'll go ahead and stop the recording, but appreciate y'all. Have a good rest of your week.
Well,